Hello everyone, my name is Varun Rajashirke and we are doing the project of EVS environmental systems and we are doing this project under the guidance of Gautami Shingam madam and our respected group members are Aditya Avinash Shinde, roll number 1903002, Varun Vijay Singh Rajashirke, roll number 1903005, क्षितिजा अनिल पाटील रोल नंबर 1903007, सौरभ सुधाकर देसाई 1903008 and last Sakshi Vatare roll number 1903010. We are doing the project of automatic irrigation system to the plants because there is some manpower we use to watering the plant. To reduce that manpower, we have done this project and I will explain the components. I will explain the components. Firstly, this is a 9-volt battery which we are connected to the motor. This is pump motor. For the water supply, we use that pump motor. And this is our node MCU that all the programming of app and the programming of all the sensors we done in that. Here is a NPN transistor is there. NPN transistor it works as it has 3 terminals. You can see there. Leftmost terminal is a collector terminal which collects the data, and middle terminal is output terminal which get output to our node MCU, and rightmost terminal is ground which is connected to the ground. After that, here is our sensor is there, moisture sensor that I have dipped in the soil, that is moisture sensor is there. So that as the components we have used in that. Specification of components is batteries of 9 volts, pump motor is of pump motor is there, node MCU is also there. NPN transistor has specifications that its name is BC547, and here we use IC sensor, which moisture sensor which has IC. Thank you. Let's do the procedure of that. Firstly, I dipped the moisture sensor in the pot that it is watered earlier, that we have to show there. That the watered plant, in that I dip the moisture sensor, so that here is a motor is not working currently. So and here is our app is also there, so you can see on the app that it shows the motor is off, that after the connections. So firstly, in that moisture is detected by the moisture sensor, then it is collected by here sensor, then it is given to the node MCU, and that is node MCU gives to the transistor collects the input and gives output to again node MCU, and by the programming of Android and moisture sensor, it is get reflected by the battery and the pump motor which I dipped in the water. After that, we show the another condition, that is I dipped the moisture sensor in the as you see in the second condition, I dipped the water in the I dipped the sensor in the in the dry soil, that let's I connect the battery to the node MCU. Yes, as I connect the battery to the node MCU, let's the plants get watered. You can see here plant is get watered by that. And after the sufficient water supply given to the plant, the water gets off. As you can see here, as the motor is started, the app our app will notify us with that the motor is on. After the sufficient water supply is given to that after the sufficient water supply is given to that water plant, that you can see here, the sufficient water supply is given to the plant, then motor is get offed directly without any, and we also notify with the app that motor is getting off. And here is our project. Thank you.